Good morning, Isaac Lynn Middle School families. This is Mrs. Rand, ready to help you kick off our next week of virtual learning. Welcome to our morning meeting for Monday, August 31st, 2020. This morning, we will have an overview and welcome, recite the Pledge of Allegiance, recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge, observe a moment of silence. We're going to give you a little information with our news and announcements, and then we will end our morning meeting with a mindful moment to make sure that we start off our week focused. At this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I am responsible for all of my actions and behavior today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I'll respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right, not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now observe a moment of silence. Here's the latest news from Isaac Lynn Middle School for this week beginning August 31st. We will miss you, Mr. Remini. Beginning September 1st, 2020, Mr. Remini will be transitioning to his new role as assistant principal at Madison Middle School. Thank you for all you've done for the Isaac Lynn Middle School family, and remember, Mr. Remini, that you are loved. Effective Tuesday, September 1st, 2020, parents and students, please address your questions or concern as follows. 5th and 6th grade families, please address your questions or concerns that you have directly to me, Mrs. Rand, at shara.rand@mmps.org. 7th and 8th grade families, please direct your questions or concerns to Ms. Patton, our assistant principal, at tracy.patton@mmps.org. Don't forget, students, math MAP assessment is this week. Don't forget to log into your PLT time to begin your testing session. Any student that was not able to complete their ELA MAP assessment last week will still have an opportunity to complete that this week. Guess what, MMPS families? MMPS is launching some in-person technology help. From August 31st to September 18th, you can go to one of the 5 locations on the screen between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. to get any technology help. The closest location to Isaac Lynn Middle School is at Jerry Baxter Middle School. That is located at 350 Hart Lane. The 2021 handbook this year is all virtual. It is all online. So parents, please don't forget, we need you to go online at www.mmps.org/handbook and fill out your parent permissions for your student. Don't forget to please use your same email address that you use for your parent portal. Don't forget, Isaac Lynn Middle School-wide morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Videos are available on the Remind app or on our library website at http://www.ilmslibrary.com. The next Rand's Roundtable will be held this Thursday, September 3rd, from 4 to 5 p.m. Parents, you should have received this link in your weekly call out and on the Remind app. 5th graders, the Lytton Band needs you. It's not too late to join. To join, email Miss Reed at samantha.davenport@mmps.org. Our I3 STEM Club is up and running. Ms. Donaldson and Dr. Westby, 2 of Lytton's finest teachers, will be facilitating the I3 STEM Club this year. Please see the I3 STEM Club website at tinyurl.com/i3stem2020 for more information. Our NASA program will be kicking off a hybrid program beginning September 8th. They also have a hybrid after-school program. For more information, please look up the Martha O'Brien Center on their website. Parents and students, don't forget, breakfast is free for all students. Lunch is free or offered at a free or reduced price for everyone other than those that have applied for the free and reduced lunch program. The price is $3 per student and it's paid through the My School Bucks app. You can apply for free and reduced lunch by picking up an application at our school or going online at mnps.org/nutrition. Meals can also be picked up at school from 11:30 to 1 each day that classes are in session. Are you interested in joining the GSA? The GSA will be continuing virtually this year. Join the Schoology group or email Ms. Garrett at catherine.garrett@mnps.org if you'd like to participate. Don't forget to download the Remind app to stay up with all of our news and announcements. And don't forget to get our cool videos of our morning meetings on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now time for our mindful moment. Today's focus is still self-management. Remember that you are loved. Let's have a great week, Lytton Lions. And don't forget, you are not alone. If you feel yourself getting frustrated or upset about anything that's going on, please reach out to your trusted adult. Myself, Miss Rand, Miss Patton, our assistant principal, Miss Carter, our guidance counselor, or any one of your teachers or any one of our related arts teachers will be happy to help you. Let's have a great week, Lytton Lions, and I will see you on Wednesday.